Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We got some good news, and we kind of sort of have some bad news, but good news, Audi R8. I've been trying to sell that car for about a year now, and officially 100% I received the check. The check was deposited, the check cleared. The R8, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, it is officially sold. Bad news though, Jeep Gladiator. We got some bad news. We got some options. We got a V16, we got a V12, and we got a V10. Let's see, we're gonna take the V10. We are headed house shopping today, so unofficially, officially, I'm moving out of the Burlacker's house. Not like today, because I might build a house, which would take a while. I don't know what to do. I keep going back and forth. Do I buy a normal house or do I buy a commercial warehouse? 2 weeks ago, 14,442 was available. I was gonna make an offer, and then the realtor called me last week and it's under contract. They're all sold. All the warehouses here are sold. And my point of this exercise, the Utah real estate market is so hot. Like, once I find the place, like, I gotta make an offer, I gotta move quickly because everything is selling left and right. Commercial warehouse advantages, I could park a ton of cars, whereas a normal house would be a nicer living environment. Also, depending on the warehouse and the zoning restrictions, I may or may not be able to live there. So yeah, that's a lot to consider. So we're gonna go on a short little tour. I don't know if we're really allowed to be in here, but guys, don't say anything. Don't you say anything. Don't you say anything. Oh, what could have been? What could have been? This would have been so sick. We could have parked 20 cars in here. We could have put a rock climbing wall. I got to move quicker. The problem is that I was waiting for the R8 to officially sell. I was waiting for that cash. So I was kind of sort of dragging my feet and I missed the opportunity. So, yes, this does officially mean that the V12 Lamborghini Murcielago, the Ferrari FF, is not going to happen, at least for right now. I'm going to get some real estate, guys. Someone's got to grow up around here, and it's surely not going to be Oscar. Yes, all of these warehouses are sold, so these units and then the units over there are all sold. However, we have a couple houses there, and there, and we got some warehouses over there and there and there that we're going to go look at. So the one good thing about not having the focus, the one thing I've discovered here in Utah, no matter what house I end up buying, I'm gonna have to add another garage because for whatever reason, all the houses here are massive, but they only have 3-car garages. And this one has a bunch of property right there, which I could add probably another like 6 garages or so. This place is like my ultimate dream house. The realtor's gonna be here soon, so I'm not actually gonna take you guys with me because then I don't come across as being a serious contender, especially because my shorts are $9. But this house is so sick. You got the driveway that loops around and then back down there. The views that way are unbelievable, and the views that way are just as good. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wish I could take you on a tour. If I buy this house, I will, but I can't. So I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That house is sick, like unbelievable. That is like the upper echelon of my budget, though. I don't know if I want to I don't want to be house poor. You know, have a nice GTR right there looking sharp. So in an unexpected sequence in the vlog, we're headed to Sport Clips to get a haircut. That's right, boys, I am balling out. My entire childhood, I didn't get my first paid haircut until I was 25 years old because I was saving up for this Gallardo. So we're going to Sport Clips. Haircut is finished. Let me know what you think in the comments below. We're headed home. We gotta let Oscar out. Then we're swapping out the Gallardo for the Aventador because we're headed to Park City. Oscar! What's up, bud? Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Come back here. Come back here. Oscar, you're a good fella. You're a good fella. Hey. Why are you barking so much, bud? One thing I forgot to mention about the Audi R8, yes, the car has sold, but tomorrow it's getting loaded on the truck to Kentucky, so we're gonna go down to Make Some Models and film it. So officially tomorrow, we say goodbye. We have 20,100 miles on the Aventador. Aventadors with 30,000 miles don't exist, and we're gonna get there like pretty soon. I do this acceleration every single vlog under this underpass. I can't help myself. I just feel like you guys need to hear it every single day, and so we do it, and we will continue. We have the Audi R8 V10 Spider looking sharp. R8 day here in Park City, and look at those bronze wheels. That's sick. Okay, so we are headed 48. I messed, that was a terrible shot. First thing I don't like is the entrance to Synergy Commons is really steep. So, moment of silence. Also, I just announced that if I do move here, you know exactly where I live. So, probably not gonna move here on that bombshell. These places are sick. They're so cool. However, they're only zoned commercial, so legally, I wouldn't be allowed to live here. Yes. Okay, it's a pretty sick setup though. I mean, you could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars easily in here. And then if we head upstairs, this would be a pretty sick living situation. This is like way bigger than I need though. Like I don't have anything. That's the one problem. Like that house I looked at earlier, I don't know how many thousand square feet. I think it was like 6,000 or 7,000 square feet. I don't actually have any furniture to my name, so I'd have to buy everything. This is more than enough space I could ever use. This unit is for sale for $700,000. That's the Park City Premium. Also, it's commercial real estate, which is also always higher than residential real estate. I don't know, what do you guys think? $700,000, and legally I'm not allowed to live here. There's a couple more units that way we're gonna go check out where legally I can live there, so that makes more sense. But this place is pretty sick. I mean, this could be the ultimate car garage. One last thing I forgot to mention, there's $700,000 as is. So you're looking at least $150,000, if not $200,000 just to finish it. And legally I can't even, legally I can't live there. One of you guys better not turn, if I buy one of these units and you discover that I'm living here and you turn me in, I'm not gonna be happy. Why isn't my car starting? Why isn't my car starting? Lock? Unlock. Okay, it's been reset, so I think we're gonna be okay. I'm pretty sure the Lamborghini is a little bit of a prima donna. Are you kidding? Why won't... Huh. There's a little port right here. We can actually pop this in, and it's another way to start, well, it would have been another way to start the car, but, yeah. I'm like 99% sure the Aventador is not actually broken. About 5 minutes ago, I was driving through Park City and a warning came up on my dash saying key not detected in vehicle, but it was sitting in the passenger seat. And so what happened is I turned the car off and now it can't detect the key. And so I'm just gonna lock it. We're gonna walk like 5 minutes that way. There's some more units I'm interested in. Come back. Hopefully that'll reset it and it'll start up. I have a dinner at 5 o'clock and it's 3:45 and it's a 45 minutes to said, so we'll... Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk. It's kind of sort of crazy. Every single decision I've made in my entire life has led me to this exact moment in time where I'm walking through an empty field with a dead Lamborghini Aventador. I just want lunch. So those are the units we're gonna go look at. You might remember we took a tour of these warehouse units back in like January or February. The cool thing is there's zone commercial on bottom and there's zone residential on top. Unfortunately though, none of them are done yet. So even if I bought one of these, I can't move in for a long time. And these are also $700,000 just as a shell. So then once again, you're looking at least 150, if not 200 grand on top of that. All of those are sold. I think all of those are sold, but that one right there is available. I really like this unit. My biggest concern, there's not that much garage space because you got all these columns everywhere. I mean, you could put one vehicle there, another, you might only be able to get 4 vehicles in here, but the setup is sick. And then there's kind of like this basement place down here, which I don't know if you could put, I talked about this earlier, I don't know if you could put like an elevator down and then use that as more garage space. And then the top floor would be where I'd live. This is pretty cool. 700,000, It's not very big though. Like, I mean, this would be my apartment. There is a rooftop patio, which is pretty cool though. I have been given authorization to be here, so don't worry about it. Put a hot tub right here, and check that out, ladies and gentlemen. We just got views on views. This moment is going to define my future. If the car doesn't start, I don't know what to do. if it does start, well, we're gonna drive home. So wish me luck in the comments below. I was just telling somebody I have never had a single issue with this Aventador, and well, I mean the squeaky door, but yeah, like that's not like a real issue, guys. And yeah, the check engine light, but that turns on and off all the time. So anyways, on that bombshell, please start, please. No, are you kidding me? Sorry, I'm getting a little bit emotional. Update, the car is still dead, but my buddy Bailey, he's gonna come try to help save the day. He's gonna bring me a socket set. We're gonna try to disconnect the battery. Hopefully that'll reset it, and then the car will just start up. If it doesn't, then I don't know what to do. I mean, I guess I'm gonna get it towed to Makes and Models, but Makes and Models isn't open today. I don't know. The positive terminal on the battery is right here. So if I disconnect that, that should reset it, and maybe, I don't know, I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but I think that should work, maybe. One of the only things I can reckon is maybe the key fob battery is dead, but I can lock it and unlock it, but that, I don't know, maybe that's it. And the myth, the legend. Oh, dude, man. Bailey saving the day.
Well, let's fix
this
thing.
Can you just fix it like that?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know what's going on. We have some good news. I don't know what it was just your guys' presence.
There you go.
So I disconnected that right there, but it didn't kill the battery, and then I started up and it started right up, so we're good. We lived. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, thank you guys. Whoa, before anybody gets triggered that I'm going to Domino's, I was gonna park there, now I'm not. Before anybody gets triggered, I gotta celebrate. The Aventador is still alive, and that's exciting. Also, I haven't had pizza in like 6 months, so. I'm a little bit nervous to turn off the Aventador because I don't know if it's gonna start up again. It's either A, gonna start, or B, it's not going to, but if it doesn't start, at least we have Nick's Pizza. So, yeah, it's not all bad. Come on, baby, come on. Hey-oh! Yes! Oh no, there's a bunch of police officers right there, but we're just kind of chilling. Those police officers were staring right at me. Luckily they were pulling over some other chump, so we're good. But, whew, I gotta cool off. We don't have much time to dilly-dally. We're gonna hop in the GT350. Nick is giving me the keys to this. We're going full set. Thank you so much.
X5. That's the X5.
Oh, wait, what? Oscar! Hey! Nick, are you kidding me? Get back here, dog. Come on, we gotta go. We're late. Oscar, treat. I got a treat. Come on, hustle. It's been a bit of a whirlwind. The Aventador is back. We're good. We're ready to roll. We're now headed to go check out a Focus RS. This one is blue, which is my favorite color for it. We're with the burr lacquer in the GT350. Look at that sun just glistening off your forehead. Are you kidding me? I mean that in the best way possible.
Forehead?
I mean, no, it was. Anyways, that was awkward. A weird sequence in the vlog. So yeah, we're headed to Draper to look at a Focus RS. This could be the one. Unfortunately for you, I'm not really gonna film this whatsoever. However, the blue Focus RS is right there and it's looking sharp. That is a nice color. That's a really nice color. All right, guys, yeah, like I said, I'm sorry, I can't take you with me. Every single thing you've accomplished in your YouTube channel comes down to this exact moment, because if you stall the Mustang, your career, it's over.
What about a burnout?
You don't even know how to use burnout mode on this thing yet. You haven't even used burnout mode or launch control on this.
I'm saving it for my channel. Subscribe, hit the link below.
Here we go. Every time I put this guy on camera, there's always a link in the description. I'm sorry, he's immature. Ooh, I can smell the clutch. Is that what I smell?
That's tires.
That's tires? Is that tires?
Bro, you
sorry, that's tires. I don't see. It's tires. I'm pretty sure it's clutch, but I mean it's tires. Back to the Aventador. I'm still not entirely sure what happened today, but right over here, I disconnected this bolt right here, but then the ignition still turned on, so I didn't think that fixed the issue. And then I just hit the start button and it turned on. So I don't really know what happened. I'm thinking either A, the key fob battery needs to be replaced. However, that wouldn't make sense because it did eventually start, so if it was dead, that wouldn't have happened. Or B, the car just got confused and, well, I don't know. Or maybe that did I don't know. I honestly have no idea what happened. And on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.